Hi guys, this is Angela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to say which day of the week in Cantonese. Let's get started. For week, we say星期, or 禮拜. So, if you want to say which day of the week, you can say 星期 or 禮拜, and then you put number 1 to 7. Now, let's review how to say number 1 to 7. Number 1, we say 一. 二 means 2. 三 3. Say 4. 5 5. 六 6. 七 7. In China, Monday is the first day, so for Monday we say 星期 and then 一 星期一 Tuesday 星期二 Wednesday 星期三 Thursday 星期四 Friday 星期五 Saturday 星期六 For Sunday, you might say 星期七, but we don't say 星期七 in Cantonese. Instead, we say 星期日 or 星期天. 日 means sun, 天 means day. So for Sunday, you can say 星期日 or 星期天. As I mentioned before, for week, you can say 星期 or 禮拜. So from Monday to Sunday, you can use 禮拜 for week. For Monday, you can also say 禮拜一 禮拜二 禮拜三 禮拜四 禮拜五 禮拜六 禮拜七 is not correct, as I said before. So you can say 禮拜日 or 禮拜天. Okay, now you already know how to say from Monday to Sunday in Cantonese. You might want to know how to ask, what day is it today? Here is the sentence. 今日禮拜幾啊? 今日禮拜幾啊? Here, 今日 means today. 禮拜 means week. 幾 means how many or how much. Is a modal particle. So, 今日禮拜幾啊 means what day is it today? Now, do you know how to answer this question? 幾 is a question word. So, for answering this question, you just need to put the number to replace 幾. For example, 今日禮拜三. 今日禮拜三. 三 is 3. 禮拜三 it means Wednesday. 今日禮拜三 means today is Wednesday. Or you can answer 今日禮拜六. 今日禮拜六 which means today is Saturday. Or 今日禮拜日. 今日禮拜日 today is Sunday. Okay, now do you know how to say what day was it yesterday? Or what day is it tomorrow? Here, you need to know how to say tomorrow and yesterday. For yesterday is 尋日. 尋日 it means yesterday. 聽日. 聽日 means tomorrow. So, if you want to ask what day was yesterday, you can ask 尋日星期幾啊? 尋日星期幾啊? And it means what day was it yesterday? So, your answer could be 尋日星期二. 尋日星期二 means yesterday was Tuesday. And 聽日星期幾啊? 聽日星期幾啊 means what day is it tomorrow? So you can answer 聽日星期四. 聽日星期四 means tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, now let's review the questions and answers. 尋日星期幾啊? 尋日星期幾啊? 尋日星期二. 尋日星期二. 今日星期幾啊? 今日星期幾啊? 今日星期三. 今日星期三. 聽日星期幾啊? 聽日星期幾啊? 聽日星期四. 聽日星期四. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.